So here we are on our way to Kyoto. Train. It's the best way to travel here. I guess it would have been like $1,000 on a taxi. Some tourists do that. This is more fun. We're on our way to Kyoto on the rapid train. Just as fast as the bullet train. It's not that far to Kyoto from Osaka. Having a great time here in Tokyo. Osaka, going to Kyoto. Next, after Kyoto, we're going to. After Kyoto, we go to Tokyo. Gotta get that right. Okay, so here we are in Kyoto. I'm going to show you a little tower they have here. That's the Kyoto Tower. There it is there. It's pretty high. That's known as the Kyoto Tower. And then over here, you have the train station. If you come down that ramp there, you'll go to the train station that way. I think we hit the mother lode here with all the kids in Japan. But
communicate in several foreign languages and will take you to your destinations.
so we're gonna jump in a cab here. Let's go on another adventure at Healthy Julio.